karag, welcome back to my vlog. Isang magandang gabi sa inyong lahat mula dito sa Lasak City. At ito na nga mga karag, very energetic ang ating menopausal fashion destruction look for tonight. Chikahan na kung saan pinag-uusapan, pinagchichismisan ng mga active na mga chismoso at mga chismosa sa social media, na kung saan tinanong ako ng kachismisan ko, kuragan, maghanap pa nga ng latest na pa-interview galore ni Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga 2026. Dahil gusto daw niyang marinig, gusto niyang makita, dahil busy din siya sa kanyang pangkaboyan showcase. Ayun, inutusan niya ako. At dahil masunurin akong pagkachismosa mga karag-karag, of course, gumala-gala ako at natarget ko nga sa budlot na kong mata at sa budlat na kong budlat na kong mata at sa budlat na kong mata at sa busngi na kong simod tong pagkachismosa ko, itong latest na pa-interview galore ni Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga. At eto na nga, maghanda na kayo sa mga matatalino dyan at ipinaglihi sa Google, sa almanac at may dugo ni Albert Einstein. Panahon yun na nahusgahan ang communication skills ni Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga 2026. Kung kaya ba nitong masungkit ang corona or maligwak ganon ito sa corona sa MUPH 2026. Watch this.
On Arceo Hetland, Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga.
Hello, Alison. It's been 2 weeks now since you began your journey in the nationals. How's the competition so far?
It's been so good, Sir Lee. I've been having the best time of my life. Getting to know all the girls as well. They're all so sweet. Tsaka hearing their own stories din, nakaka-inspire silang lahat.
Okay, so you've been across many hot picks. As one of the front runner, is there an added pressure considering you were a newbie, no, among the pool of veterans?
Of course, there's always pressure, Sir Lee. But then that only means that they see the potential in me, and that also makes me work harder in this journey.
Okay, so what can the pageant fans expect from Alison, and how are you gonna present Pampanga even further?
They can expect only the best from Alison. And all out na tayo, syempre, di ba? This is Miss Universe, so we always have to have our best foot forward, and they can expect greatness from Alison, and I hope nadadala ko ng maayos ang Pampanga.
So, Ali, you were a registered nurse by profession, and now our Kapampangan queen. So what legacy would you want to leave, and how would you like to be remembered?
The legacy I want to leave is the stories that I bring with me. I know that once these stories reach a lot of people, I know that it will open their hearts and inspire them to always be kind in this world.
I've asked this a few times back na, but now let's have a refresh. On a scale of 1 to 10, how prepared is Alison right now for MUPH?
I think the last time I answered that, sir, it was a 7, no? Parang 7. Ngayon, maybe I want to give myself 8.5 naman. Kasi my experience so far in Manila, it really helped me grow. Kahit 2 weeks pa lang, ang dami ko nang napansin sa sarili ko na, ganito pala ako pag pagod, ganito pala. So, I've been adjusting to the new environment, but also, I think I'm growing as a person as well. So, an 8.5, I think may room pa for improvement.
Alright, so the $1 million question. So, why should you be the next Miss Universe Philippines?
I should be the next Miss Universe Philippines kasi sa tingin ko parang time naman ng Pampanga this year, di ba? So fingers crossed, and of course, I'm a woman of value. I always bring my morals and principles wherever I go. And I believe that embodies a true Miss Universe Philippines.
Alright, so please invite our kabalen and kababayans to continue supporting you in your journey.
Kaya na mga karag, narinig na ninyo kung ako, nakalaklak ako ng isang tulinadang fighter kulapo at asabo for tonight. Chismisa, naku, kabaliktara naman sa aking manok na si Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga. Sana sa darating na laban mga karag, makita ko yung nilamon, bitaw siya, nilunod siya ng energy. Yun yung gusto kong mag-improve sa kanya, yung energy. Ipakita niya yung bangis. Ganon talaga yung gusto kong makita dito sa pambato ng Pampanga. Dahil lalamunin talaga siya ni nila Union. Sa totoo lang, kung ganito yung makikita natin sa final, nako, Pampanga, lumaban ka, day! Kailangan mo ng more energy, ha? Yan lang yung magiging reaction ko, mga karag-karag. Base sa napanood ko. Ewan ko sa inyo kung ano yung magiging komento ninyo. Magkapareho ba tayo na kailangan ni Alison ng energy galore sa kanyang laban sa Miss Universe Philippines 2020? Siguro mag-iba yung sirkulasyon sa darating na final. Baka bigla itong bubulagga ba na, ay, energy pala, eto na, ganon. Pastilan Koragan. So, magingay tayo sa comment section, mga karag-karag. Naku, grabe, dami pa namang magagaling sa kudaan galore sa taon na to. Dahil, amot lang. Ibigay ko sa inyo yung Husga Eksena episode 2.0 sa chismisan na to. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Koragan Karag. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to like and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga latest, mga iskandalo, intriga sa mundo ng beauty pageant. And thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!